Hello class, welcome to Digital Electronics class. Hello class, so today we are going to read number system conversion and we'll see that how binary number system will be converted to octal and hexadecimal and how octal decimal system will be converted into binary number system. So in the previous class we have read about any number system to decimal and decimal to any number system. So there are two ways to convert a binary number into octal or hexadecimal. So the first method is what? You can convert a binary number into decimal, okay, which I have taught you in the previous class, any number system to decimal. Then convert this decimal number into any number system, means you can convert it into octal or hexadecimal. Okay, so this is a lengthy process, but there is a shortcut method in which you can convert directly a binary number into a octal or hexadecimal number system. Okay, suppose if I take an example, if the number is 11010.01110. okay, suppose if this is a binary number and I have to convert this into an octal number. Okay, so this is the decimal part. So you do one thing from now see what is an octal number system. Octal number system is having base 8. Okay, so 8 means what? 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. Okay, so you have to take 3 bits here. Okay, so you will take 3 bits. So from this side you take 3 bits. Again from this side you take 3 bits. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 3 bits are available over here, but here the third bit is absent. Okay, so what you will do, you will put a 0 here. So if you will put a 0, the value of the number will not change. So it is having 3 bits, it is also having 3 bits. Similarly for this side you will go from left to right. So you take 3 bits. Okay, again here the third bit is absent, so you will put a 0. Okay, now a binary number 011 equals to how much? Okay, equals to how much in octal? So if you remember, it is very good. If you don't remember, you see this table. So 011 in 3 bits, 011 means how much? It is 3. Okay, so you will put here 3. Again 010 equals to how much? So 010 equals to 2 in octal, so it will be 2. Then again 011 equals to how much? It is equal to 3. And 100 equals to how much? So it is equal to 4. Okay, so simply I will write here 4. So this is my answer, and there will be a decimal here. So 32.34 to the base 8 is my final answer. So this is a very shortcut method which you should use when you are solving the questions and you have very less time. Similarly, this was binary to octal. Now suppose if I have to convert the same question into hexadecimal. So see what we'll do. So see, I have written the same question. Now the same question you have to convert it into hexadecimal. So again you will follow the same procedure, but here you were taking 3 bits, here you will take 4 bits, because 16 is how much? 16 is 2 to the power 4 equals to 16. So you will take 4 bits. So again from this side you move from you right to left, you move and you take 4 bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have only 1 bit left over here. The other 3 bits are absent, so you will put 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 to make it 4 bits. Okay, now similarly again after the decimal you see here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 bits over here, and the last one 0, it is alone. So again you will put 3 zeros to make it 4 bit. Okay, so again now see 0001, it is in binary. what is its equivalent value in hexadecimal number? Okay, so it is equal to 1. So see in the table. So 0001 in hexadecimal it is equals to 1. So we will write here 1. Now 1010 it is equals to A. Okay, so see 1010 this is equals to A. So I will write here A. Okay, now 0111. Okay, so 0111 is equal to how much? 0111 it is equals to 7. So you will put here 7, and this 000 equals to 0. Okay, so 000 is always 0. So you will put a 0 over here. So my answer is 1A.70 to the base 16. So this is a very simple method, an easy method, but you should remember the binary equivalent, okay, of the hexa and the octal number system. So now let us see the reverse, how we will convert octal or hexadecimal to binary number system. Okay, so now we will see any octal number system to binary number system. Okay, so octal to binary. Okay, suppose if I take an example 23.45 to the base 8, you have to convert it into binary number system. Okay, so it is very simple. So you express this 2 in binary in 3 bits, then express this 3 in binary in 3 bits. Okay, so one by one you do. I'll show you what you have to do. So again you can take this table, or if you remember it is very good. So see, you have 2 here, so 2 equals to how much? 0 1 0 in 3 bits. Okay, so from this side you have to see 3 bits, so it is 0 1 0. So you will write here this is equal to 0 1 0. Now see this 3. So again this 3 equals to 0 1 1. Okay, so it will be 0 1 1. Now I'll put a decimal over here because we have a decimal. Then again see this 4. So see 4 is equal to how much? 100. So I'll put here 100. Now this 5. So 5 is 101. Okay, so it is 101. So this is my final answer in binary number system. It is very simple, but you can go by the other way also. Means if you have to convert an octal number to binary number system, you convert octal to decimal, then decimal to binary. That way also you can do. Okay, so I am telling you the shortcut method. Now again, if I have to convert a hexadecimal number system into binary number system, so let us take another example. So hexa decimal to binary. Okay, suppose if my question is A B C 3 point BD 2. Okay, suppose if this is my question. So again what you will do, to the base 16 you have to convert it into base 2. So again you convert this A into binary number in 4 bits. Okay, so again see A equals to how much? 1010. So I will write here 1010. Then B is equals to how much? So see B equals to how much? 1011. Okay, so I will write here the 1011. Then C equals to how much? So again you see, you should remember these. So it is 1100. So I'll put here 1100. Then this 3 equals to how much? It is 0011. Okay, so it is 0011. You can see the table. Then after that you put a decimal. Then B equals to how much? So it is 1011. Okay, this one. Then D equals to how much? So see here. Okay, so see here D equals to 1101. Okay, so again you will write here D equals to 1101. Then 2 equals to how much? 2 equals to, so 2 equals to 0010. Okay, so 0010. So it is a big sequence. So this is your final answer. Okay, So this is your final answer in binary number system. So this is all about your number system. So in the next class we will see different topic of your digital electronics. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts or any suggestion, you can put it in the comment line, or